Hi guys, napalaw me. Ilang taon ta mig car
It's
racing
good
guys.
quality, huh?
Ilang taon ta mig car racing.
Good quality, yeah.
Kaso sarado talaga.
Let's
Mahal.
see.
No car racing. I'm saying we want to watch car racing, but it's really closed. They closed the road, closed. You cannot see anything, guys.
Denmark, they want to make
Only
money on everything.
pinch. Nandito na lang kami sa park. It seems like
Prego?
not Prego, guys. It's like that may.
Okay.
Okay, now. Hinahinag baklay. Hinahinag baklay pauli guys. Ito si Ken. I'm saying that there's many blackberries, but there's the owner is picking the fruit. I'm just looking. No, I'm not picking the fruit. Yeah. She's still not finished maybe, or the birds sticking it.
Yeah.